everyone, welcome. Today we're continuing Halloween decorating here and I'm going to be styling my tiered tray. When I bought this tiered tray, I'm going to say it was the winter, late winter or early spring. I had envisioned styling it for Halloween and finally the time has come and I'm going to show you how I do that in this video. This video is part of a closed collaboration called the Halloween Tiered Tray Collab, and this was put together by Sonia at Domestic Diva Home. Sonia, thank you so much for asking me to participate, and I'm honored to be participating with all these awesome YouTubers. I hope that everyone will watch the playlist that's linked in my description box to see everyone's creation. Okay, welcome back. I'm going to start with the very top tier. It's going to be very, very simple. I've got my items down here and I'm just going to take these three items. One is just a little small sparkly black pumpkin, which I'll put right back there. In front of that, this little toy skeleton, black and white. I should probably mention that this styling is going to be fun. I'm going to take sort of those more fun pieces that I have, not so spooky, not so scary, and I'll use those to style this tiered tray. So this is just actually a little wind-up toy. I'm sure this was my son's when he was younger, and I'm going to simply place that in front here. And then on the other side, just one of my black gunmetal pumpkins that seems to be sort of iridescent, and I'm just going to place that in there and just have it sort of coming up a bit at the back. So then my second tier, some of you will remember my prized tea towels that I bought. I love these tea towels so much. They have this great harlequin pattern and polka dots, and they're black, orange, and white, which I love for Halloween. And so this is the other of the pair that I bought, and I'm going to simply place it down like so and have it so that it's hanging, covering a lot of the tier underneath it. And then on top of that, I'm going to place this really cute black cat. It lights up like so. It's got the nice big mouth. I think this is a very vintage look, and I seem to have a lot of these sort of vintagey looking Halloween pieces. I'm very attracted to them, and so I will just place that over here on this side. And then when I purchased this at Dollarama, at the same time I purchased this ghost, which also should light up. It does, and so I'm going to place this on the other side here, just like so, kind of have it, actually I'll put it going to the front, and then just some cute pumpkins kind of in here, like so. I hope the cat is not too covered. Just like that. And then I'm going to take this little DIY that I made last year. This was inside of a vase that had all sorts of Halloween pumpkins and ornaments inside. So I've taken it out. You can see it's got this great MacKenzie-Childs harlequin pattern on it. I simply printed this off from the computer, cut it out, glued it onto cardboard, and then used this felt piece. Now this felt piece I think may have been from Dollar Tree, and it was sort of the inspiration for my making this. And then I just cut out this little orange bow tie. And what I'm going to do to work in this piece is just take some of this tape, just some masking tape, to ensure that it stays. So with my piece of tape, what I'm going to do is sort of place the tape going up part way so that I still have half of the tape hanging down. I'm going to see if I can get that exposed piece of tape to stick to the bottom of the tray. That seemed to work. I did put a little piece of tape at the back of the upper tier as well before, and I'm just sticking the bow tie to that tiny little piece of tape, and I think between those two they should stay, and that actually looks really, really cute. So I'm happy with that. And then at the back here, you can see part is covered. So the two pieces I'm going to use over here on this side are just this little pumpkin. I think this was part of a flashlight that my son had when he used to trick or treat. So I took the light part out, the handle, and I'm just left with this. So I'm gonna put that here on top. In fact, I think I will take this little ramekin here. You guys have often seen me use this. I'm going to place that down, and this will prop up the little pumpkin. And then this really great black spider. This was purchased at one of the dollar stores, either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. And I will just place that like so, so that you can see that, and it's kind of hanging off of the tier there. And then I have this jack-o'-lantern. It's an actual lantern, and I'm going to just place it at the back here. I do like that it has the handle so that you can see that. I will place another one of those gunmetal pumpkins over here. And then this piece here, I regretted not using this in a recent video that I did, my last video, my black and white Halloween tablescape. It's the word Boo. I love it. It's in black and it's got white spider webbing. It is originally from HomeSense, only $5.99. I love this piece, but I thought since I didn't use it on the table, why not use it to finish off our tray here. So I will just place that there. And I say this a lot, but as simple and as quick as that, we have this awesome little decor piece that's going to look really great. I think I'm going to keep it here on the island for Halloween. You will see if I decide to keep it here at my Halloween home tour. I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know in the comments if you did. Kindly give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please share this video with anyone who you think may like it. And thank you to everyone in this playlist. Kindly watch the playlist. I think you're going to see so many great creations. Thank you, Sonia, for asking me to join you. Thank you for watching me. Take care. Here's our final look up close. Now I did make some minor changes because I usually can't leave well enough alone. So I reversed the placement of this larger pumpkin and that smaller pumpkin so that there was more sort of volume on this side because we have the cat's head on the other side. And I did want to sort of balance that out a little bit. So I did move those. And then over here, I had that black sparkly pumpkin in the front with the orange one. There was this space back there that was bothering me, so I placed the black pumpkin back there. And I think that does look a bit better. My white pumpkin has not done well in storage, so I think I'm going to give this guy a nice coat of white paint. Not today, but that certainly will be coming. And then here on our bottom tier, I'm going to show you our spider. I had to end up taping one of his legs in place there, and that was to ensure that he stayed because he sort of didn't want to stay, so I did do that. There's the great tea towel. And then on this side here, rather than have the boo sign right in the front, I put it in the middle. I put the shorter pumpkin in front of that, and I propped up our lantern on a little ramekin again. And that's our final look.